honey.
Hi.
What you doing?
Oh, we're gonna change one of the tail lights broke, so we're gonna.
Okay.
So it's this one right here. So all you gotta do is just twist it and pull it out, okay? See, all burned up. And all you gotta do is just pull it out. Burn. And it's gonna be 3057 3057 bolt. And remember, you don't want to touch the bolt with your oily hand. Okay, I got glove on, and it's done. That's it. And pull it back, and go to this slot here and twist it a little bit to the right, and click here. Click. Voila, voila, finish. Yes.
Hi everyone. If you haven't liked and subscribed to my channel, please do. Thank you. I appreciate it.